Be it a romantic, emotional, but so bad. He'd smiled by Dio the Smile, by Lady Gaga and Bruno Mars. And yes, it should feature soft piano chords, gentle acoustic guitar, one Mason light, retro style comes with brushed snares. At snare the gistry strings and the touch of vintage analog ones.
The tempo should be slow to mid,
around 70-80 BPM,
with a dreamy and cinematic atmosphere.
Include male and female duet, folk of that sound rebring on.
Love and this voice flows a plain on earth.
Use reverb and soft echo effects to create a nostalgic
atmosphere,
as if it's a love song
playing in an old movie scene during sunset. Moodmantic, nostalgic, bittersweet,
cinematic hard food.